Keith and Dev. Our goal is to make the most of each day, with adventures big and small. This past year, we've been exploring Canada, from Vancouver to Vermont to Europe.
Subscribe to follow along. Good morning.
Good morning from London, Gatwick. We are in, what's it called, lounge?
Plaza Lounge.
The Plaza Lounge, thanks to our credit card. We have coffee and we're about to have breakfast.
There's complimentary breakfast, eggs Benny apparently. We have about 2 hours until our gate opens. What time is it? 9?
It is 4 in the morning in Kingston.
That's useless. My watch is dead.
9:50.
9:50.
It's 9:15, got through security, no problem. Update though. We think we lost 2 batteries.
Last night we checked our bags and we were just charging the batteries to the camera. They're small little things and I think they fell out in our flight, so we sort of left the flight without checking the floor. Always check the floor.
Tip. So we're down to 2 camera batteries, so we're just gonna keep charging them and
that's
hope
on me.
for the best. It's all good. We're just gonna enjoy this beautiful lounge. It's empty, there's food, and then we're off to Lanzarote today.
That's right. Today's a travel day.
Cheers. Also, you'll be surprised, we've been traveling for over 24 hours now, and this is my first coffee since 7:30 a.m. the morning we left Kingston. So
whoa,
it's been like over 45 hours since I've had coffee. But anyways, so the first coffee of the trip.
Also, this premium Plaza Lounge, overlooking the airport, there's no one here but us. It's phenomenal. Lounges are the only way to travel now.
At least while we have this credit card.
Ordering breakfast at the Premium Plaza in Gatwick. Your QR code, Ganaroni Pepperoni, pull this guy up, start your order, go to breakfast. We already decided what we want. We want 1 egg Florentine, sorry, 1, add to cart. We want 2 English breakfasts. View cart. Confirm my order, 15 minutes. To our table, D11.
Didn't even finish checking in. That did not take 15 minutes. That was like 5 minutes. We got classic English breakfast because we're in England.
And just like that, our breakfast is here. English breakfast because, like Devon said, here we are in England. Sausage first. Binge.
I'm so excited to eat. Also, this is the first time on this trip I'm actually hungry, so that's a good sign.
This is so great. I'm so hungry. Been here for a few hours now. We are just about to head out and check for our gate. I'm already on my second meal.
Napkins because he's gonna be messy.
And we're pretty much ready.
Check our flight to see. We don't know where our gate is yet, so I'm gonna go check that out, and then we'll be flying.
Cool. Exciting. It's also a long flight. I think it's 5 hours. Wow. What a lounge.
It was so incredible. Also, the people in this lounge were so kind and so nice. So thank you guys.
Yeah, every staff we've encountered
has been amazing.
Phenomenal. I just love the UK.
Like, I
Premium
can't get
Plaza, Plaza Premium.
It's a great lounge.
It's Plaza Premium. Great lounge.
All right, we have to go to
Also,
our flight now. Though.
Shout out to my boy Phil Chow in Montreal. Thank you for the headband. You'll be seeing a lot of this. If you want to buy it online, links below. That's the Zcom store.
We gotta go.
You're right.
I wanted extra exercise, but he's fascinating. Why are you sitting for a while? I had to take the stairs.
So I just went to the gate and asked just to confirm before we board that we have all the documents necessary. We have our passenger locator for Spain, our boarding pass obviously, and our proof of vax that he confirmed by checking the date of the second vaccine, which was July 2021.
We have third.
Yeah, the boosters, the third. So, good.
It's only our second flight on this journey, but I still get really nervous for some reason until we're on the plane.
It is nerve-wracking though. I mean, we're traveling at a time where it's difficult. There's a lot of stuff involved.
Yeah, there's now 4 things I need to check instead of 2.
But we're going. We're doing it.
Hooray!
Yes!
Now to find our seats.
Relax and enjoy the flight with us this afternoon.
And we're off.
Let's go!
And we're off.
We're in the air on the way to the Canary Islands.
It's just so nice being in the plane. I love planes. I love planes.
It's exciting. So we'll see you in about 4 hours.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Canary Islands. As I mentioned earlier, the time is the same time as the UK all year round here. I should please to remain seated just for another couple of minutes until we reach our parking stand.
Made it through security, no problem. Passenger location form, now we're waiting for the bus.
So far, so good.
Easy peasy.
And we're in t-shirts now, so that's good.
And it's like 26 degrees. That wasn't our bus. This is our bus.
We made it on the bus. Luckily, it's not busy because our stuff is
I almost hit these people. Go ahead, Jeff.
Oh my goodness.
Hopefully we didn't forget anything there.
Hopefully this is the right stop.
So we sort of came out before it said Playa Honda, but I don't know. Just wanted to be sure. It's the first town over. So I'm happy we came off. Ah, we made it. I can't believe we're here.
It's very cute so far.
Oh man. Oh, the smell of the ocean. The smell of like Spanish grilled food. There's palm trees. This is it.
First stop, find an Airbnb. Then, depending, either food or grocery store, depending how hungry we're feeling.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
So coming on a run.
Workout, we are. I was looking forward to running here. And this is the Playa Honda, which is right by the airport. So it must be a pretty common tourist place because it's really easy to reach. We didn't want to walk the 50 minutes again. This time we just paid $2.80 for a bus.
Which is
for two.
not bad at all.
For €3. Cheap, cheap. We're really close to our hotel.
Also,
And this is awesome. It smells like ocean. It smells like butter and grilled stuff.
What I was gonna say is, we picked this place first because it was super close to the airport and we didn't know how to be feeling. So we're here for 3 nights and our whole stay on the island is gonna be about 3 weeks. And about every 3 to 5 nights we're gonna change locations.
Yeah.
So we get to see the whole island.
There we are. Had a broken conversation with possibly our host, Alejandro. That was funny. Didn't know which door it was. We were trying his door and he's like, no. It was the other one. And then didn't know how to open the key. Finally got it. And it wasn't a push or pull, it was a slide.
Our first embarrassing tourist occasion. Probably gonna be much more of those.
We look like such broke.
We look like a lot really touristy right now.
I haven't felt like such a noob in a long time. Here we are.
We have to give you a tour before we mess this place up with our backpacks. But yeah, the shower's beautiful.
Let's open the windows too.
Okay. Quick tour of the place. We have this nice walk-in area, a nice sitting area.
Nice.
With a beautiful kitchen table.
Fancy mirror.
Because we want to do a lot of cooking while we're here. We've got
Cooking
a nice
stuff.
stovetop, an oven, fridge,
Nice.
and microwave. And because we couldn't find one that was smaller, and this is gonna be our fanciest Airbnb we're staying at, there's actually 2 bedrooms, so if anybody can jump on a plane and meet us here.
It took a while to get here though.
1 bedroom.
It's the guest. Very nice. TV there too. A little side table.
And 2nd bedroom.
Look at that. Think we're staying here?
Yeah. This is the bathroom. Oh my gosh, my hair is crazy. Also very excited because there's shampoo and conditioner that looks nice. And look at this beautiful shower. So we finally made it to our last destination. We did just check. It's 1:34
On the
Canada
30th.
time.
Canada time.
So almost 48 hours later.
Wow.
2 days of travel and we made it to our first official location. So we are going to unpack, get settled, and figure out what there's to do in Playa Honda.
And eat food, because I'm hungry. And there's bars right down the street, which is sweet.
And we will show you around there in our next video.
I'm excited to explore this area.
Me too.
Back in Spain and Europe. Canary Islands.
Ooh,
Pretty cool.
wow.
Happy to be here.
Me too.
All right.
So thanks so much for watching.
Thanks for watching. You gonna do that?
We made it to the island.
Yellow light, blue light. Yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue.